Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below as we try to drop consistent content around here every single day. Also, you're brand new, please do me a favor, hit that little notification bell down below, because like I said, we try to drop content around here every day and you want to be notified every time we do that. Obviously, if you click this video, you like sneaker content, this is the channel for you. Alright guys, also before we jump into today's video, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. They are the people who bring the sneakers to the channel for me to bring the the content to you guys. So do me a favor, hit their links in the description down below, give them a follow on Instagram. Alright guys, but without further ado, let's get into today's review. Alright guys, here you have it, the Air Jordan 4 Craft. Guys, starting off with the box, got a gray box. You got Flight in white and Jumpman in that tan yellow color. Nothing special. Let's check out the official colorway. The official colorway is Phantom Dusk Pale Vanilla. Pretty interesting. Now this is no typical Air Jordan 4. This is a little bit different than what we're usually seeing. You know what I mean? So let's jump into it. Alright guys, taking a look at the bottom of the sole, this is probably the only thing not unique about the shoe, is the outsole. Standard Jordan outsole, you got your Jumpman in the middle there. Moving up the midsole, you got your air bubble there. You got this cream colored paint on the actual midsole itself. Really dope. The color I actually really like. It works with the gray leather. And mentioning the gray leather, we'll take a look at the toe box. Kind of feels like a premium gray leather. The whole shoe kind of has a premium feel. Moving up in the front of the toe box, you got this overlay here with this thick hair suede. Really nice, wrapping around the entire midfoot of the shoe. Really, really dope. Taking a look at where we usually have the plastic for your Air Jordan 4s, we have an emboss. I want to say that's a suede too. The whole tongue I think is a suede, but instead of having the netting, it has that, emboss netting. It also has it here on the side. We'll take a look at that in a second. Alright guys, taking a look at the laces. This is the only lace that they come with, some flat gray laces. Moving up. Now on the tongue, it's more standard. It's not standard. It's more, you got more of a cushion to it. It doesn't feel like like I mentioned before, it feels like a premium Air Jordan 4. The back of the tongue also has your rectangular, Air Jordan stitched in the back there, but really nice. As for the guts, the inside of the shoe kind of reminds me of the cool gray 4s. Not for nothing, it really does kind of remind me of that. Alright guys, taking a look at the side of the shoe, as I mentioned before, you got the you don't have the plastic there, and now it's embossed on the actual suede itself. It's pretty unique. I like that, not for nothing. As you got some crackling, it's like crackling paint on the wings. It's really, really different. This shoe is so different. This little patch here of hairy suede too. Really, really dope. I like it. Like I said, it seems like a premium 4. As you can see, we have a translucent heel tab with the Jumpman also in that tan color or yellow, whatever you want to call it. Kind of looks tan and yellow to me. I don't know, maybe it's my lighting in here, but whatever. As for the inside of the sneaker, what basically goes on the outside is going on the inside. And we got some more crackling. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't even notice that. One side has crackling on the collar of the shoe. The other side has smooth leather. That's pretty cool, man. I didn't even notice that. Can't wait to get these on feet, guys. These are so fire. Really, really nice shoe. As for the insole, we have an all gray insole with a yellow Jumpman as well. But yeah, guys, these are dope. I know I'm a little late to the party with them, but Let me know down in the comment section your thoughts, your opinions. I want to hear everything you got to say about the newest Air Jordan 4. For sizing, it's typical. It's an Air Jordan 4. You know, whatever size you wear in the Air Jordan 4, you can get them in this size. Let me know if you copped them. Let me know if you have to pay resale for them, because they're going for a pretty penny. These, I believe, dropped for $210. I believe they're, reselling for around $300, $320. But it is what it is. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to stay tuned for that on feed. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the son of some man, and I'm out, guys.